Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. May K. Beeler here with Carolina Aircraft. Now you know we specialize in only the finest pre-owned, prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. And today I've got a 1982 Baron 58 to tell you about. It's a 50th anniversary special edition. So let's check out your engines. They are Teledyne Continental IO520 285 horsepower engines, and your prop, 3-blade alcohol props with windshield anti-ice. The Luft engine has 145 hours since factory new, and this engine, it has a 1,900 hour TBO. The Wright engine has 1,290 hours since major overhaul, with 115 hours since top overhaul, with 5 new cylinders due to the ECI cylinder AD. And the number 1 cylinder, that was replaced 165 hours ago. One of my favorite features about this particular Baron, it comes equipped with the spring thing, and we all love that. We can load our stuff up here without the fear of getting bonked in the head. You can also carry about 300 pounds up here, and you can even take golf clubs if you take the woods off. So the Baron, of course, is the ultimate workhorse, the perfect transportation machine. Plenty of fuel on board to get you to your work or dream destination. 194 gallons of usable fuel, and that means over 1,000 nautical miles without a pit stop. This Baron has about 6,965 hours total time since new, and the exterior, it's in great shape. Matterhorn white overall with claret, gray, and black stripes in beautiful condition, new in 2017. So let's check out the large double cargo doors. Love that about the Baron. The interior is gorgeous. I'll show you a close-up in just a minute, but let's talk about the seating configuration. This is versatile, as you know. Right now, everybody is in the club seating, executive configuration, but if everybody wants to face forward, that's okay. Or let's say we want to remove a seat, stow it. I don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, and we're in business. And by the way, the useful load for this aircraft, 1,450 pounds. Okay, so come on in, let's check out the interior. Folks, beautiful, beautiful condition. Gray leather seats, dark gray carpet, G&D tinted windows. We have a 6-place intercom system, and we have a 6-place shoulder harnesses for everybody, plus in the front, sheepskin covers. Now this interior, it was redone in 2017, but if I didn't know any better, I'd say it was brand new. The flight deck is well equipped. And first of all, you can't help but admire the 50th anniversary special edition wood grain panel. Now you'll enjoy the Garmin 530 GPS Navcom and 430 GPS Navcom with WAAS. Your transponder is a Garmin 345 with ADS-B in and out, traffic and weather, color radar system. Your Autopilot, it's a King KFC 200 with flight director, slaved HSI with altitude Preselect. You have a prop synchro phaser, dual glide slopes, panel mount USB connector, and more. Plus, you'll enjoy the standby EFIS artificial horizon and DG and graphic engine monitor for both engines. Some features you will appreciate: factory air conditioning, long-range fuel, XM weather and music, synthetic vision. The paint and interior are like new, and it has a brand new annual inspection. This 1982 Baron 58 is looking for a new home. She's a 50th anniversary special edition, long-range tanks, air conditioning, updated panel, perfect gorgeous interior and exterior. Yeah, there's lots to love here. We invite you to come see us. We're Carolina Aircraft. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. I do want you to know that Baron School, it's included in the price of the aircraft because we want you to be safe and comfortable in your new Baron. So come see us, everyone. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Beeler. Thank you so much for watching.